This demo will look at WilloWare's Serial Lot Mass Generate module in the Manufacturing Power Pack suite. Out of the box, Dynamics GP can auto-generate serial and lot numbers in the PO receipt entry window, and on an MO receipt it can generate only serial numbers. WilloWare extends the ability to auto-generate serial and lot numbers to many more transactions, such as inventory transactions, assembly transactions, the MO pre-entry window, and quick MOs. Additionally, WilloWare's Serial Lot Mass Generate module adds the ability to have the software automatically calculate and set the manufactured and expiration dates, and it can use a global serial or lot number mask. Let's take a look at some of the setup options. Then we'll see the module in action. The top section of the setup window is used to enable the date calculation feature on various transactions. As shown here, we've enabled automatic date calculation on manufacturing receipts and inventory transactions. The manufactured date can be set to the user date or the system date. The user date is the date on the GP client, and the system date is the date from the SQL Server. Expiration date is set based on the manufactured date plus a number of days, the source of which can come from the minimum shelf life or warranty days settings from item maintenance options or item engineering's lot expiration days. The global serial and lot functionality adds the ability to number all lot or serial controlled items using one numbering sequence. This works by creating a special item number that is used only to hold the global serial or lot mask. As shown here, the item called serial_mask is going to be used to manage the numbering of all serialized items. We'll take a look at this in a moment. Lastly, you can also choose to use one single mask for both lots and serials. We'll use an inventory adjustment for the demo, but the Serial Lot Mass Generate window works the same on every supported transaction. First, we'll look at a lot numbered item, CAP 100. Recall that we set the module to calculate the expiration date based on the minimum shelf life, which is 180 days. Also, the module will use the lot split quantity, which is 2. We'll do an increase adjustment for 10 of CAP 100. On the Lot Number entry window, select Additional, Auto Lot Number, or press Ctrl+Y. The lot split quantity appears here as the quantity per lot number, which is 2, so it will generate 5 lot numbers with 2 per lot. You can change the quantity per lot if needed. Note also that it has calculated the expiration date by adding 180 days to the manufactured date. Clicking the Add button generates the new lot numbers. Next, we'll add a couple of serial numbered items to look at the global serial mask in action. First, we'll generate 10 serial numbers for 100 XLG. Now, using a different serial numbered item, BA100G, we'll add 10 of those. You can see that these picked up at the last serial number we generated for 100 XLG. Serial Lot Mask Generate in WilloWare's Manufacturing Power Pack adds auto-generation of serial and lot numbers to many more windows in Dynamics GP. It also can calculate the manufactured date and expiration date on lots, and global masking provides the ability to have a single numbering sequence across all items. To learn more about this product or other WilloWare products, please contact your Microsoft GP partner or www.willowware.com or sales@willowware.com.